you cannot stand the heat of the minority, you can walk out. Count empty seats all over. Empty seat. Empty seat. Then you want to use the empty seat to intimidate us. If he gets 3, we should get 1. It won't happen today. It won't happen tomorrow.
Madam, say I'm a from TV. So nay, I didn't share with the nest and some more idea him social media and so and not made the ever some more. Now I know European woman should be fear and yet maintain wants to be a course or honor. I can make a maintain wants to dear a Gusujan Naso from vets in the moon and the women say table and in them dreamers a cunyan and them for my ass and get to an enra. And yet not debate to be a course. Should fear a State of the Nation address area John Jomani Mahama Ebemayano. Na idea dances say NDC4 and a year dom baby a fear and before a year dom kuma. Nana debate in the air cost no said the name say a banasa MP before Bessoria commodie na NDC4 so Sora commodie but not the na quite say and I'm saying NDC4 a dos no MP before Ninti ne was say Nipa Mielu Ekasa NDC and nipa ba kasa e wo MPP na no na kofa abente me ho ase e de ba ya yewura afenyoman ki so no and ye dom kuma ba no dani e sorry ye na say enya asem ketwa say na say NDC4 entimi heat ya MPP4 no e di ejina mrahye na wo mo ebetimi asole apie afri mrahye ho no me say enya asem ketwa kra e na course ho no ye hwe bi emra.
And you want to aspire for the future, the best place to come is the NDC because NDC gives opportunities to the youth. It is only in NDC that people like Sami Jefi will be given very huge appointments. It is only in NDC that Basentale will be leading the youth of our country. It is only in NDC that Opariado would be a minister, a cabinet minister. Mr. Speaker, a minister is the cabinet, the cabinet, sorry, a minister. The important thing is that when you were in government, Kojo was about the youngest man in your government. Could you come to this side? Because we will give you more opportunities as the National Democratic Congress. Mr. Speaker, at this point in time, it is safe to say that when His Excellency John Dramani Mahama appeared in this house, a new dawn had fallen on our country. We had moved away from the kind of economic management that was based on sloganeering. We will digitalize. Today, can you show me your digital blueprint? After 8 years. Where is your digital blueprint? Your digitalization was in the head of one man roaming around. What if a car crashes his head? That is the kind of digitalization you were running. Mr. Speaker, we were in a country where, Ghana card actually captures the data of a human being. And when the human being himself appears, they say, where is your Ghana card? What type of digitalization is that? That you digitalize, take my biodata on a card, and when I appear, I'm not important, but the card that is lying at home is important. Go to your bank today and not carry your Ghana card. We'll make sure that there's proper digitalization so that when you appear at the bank, you can access your digital data and be processed, and that is digitalization. That is going to be spearheaded by a blueprint that will inform our actions on digitalization. Not a walk-alone digitalization in the head of one man called Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
It's now the turn of Honorable Richard Achampong. Honorable Richard Achampong, you have the floor.
This debate, what is going on? What is going on here? What is going on here? What is going on here? No. What is going on here? We will not allow this. What is going on here? What is going on in this chamber? What is going on in this chamber? No. What is going on in this chamber? What is going on in this chamber? That's all right. It will not happen. What's going on in this chamber? Why? What's happening in this chamber? What is going on in this chamber? What is going on in this chamber? What is going on in this chamber? Osofo, Jatro.
Honorable members, order.
What is going on in this chamber? What is going on in this chamber? What is going on in this chamber? Why? Yes, I'm aware my mic is on. What's going on in this chamber? What is going on in this chamber? Why? What kind of democrat? No, it has never happened in the history of Ghana's politics. Why? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? What's going on? What's going on in this chamber? What is going on? We will not, Mr. Speaker, we will not. I repeat, we will not allow the majority to use its numbers to intimidate us. Mr. Speaker, they should know that they are not going to be in this majority forever. Today, the Minister of Education, Haruna Idrisu, is in this house, and his side is proposing this. Hey, Haruna. Hey, Haruna. Hey, Haruna. And Mr. Speaker, Honorable Mahama Yariga, who was the de facto legal advisor to the Atu-Forcing leadership, is today saying that if he gets 3, we should get 1. It won't happen today, it won't happen tomorrow. Mr. Speaker, this is coming from a Harvard scholar. Mr. Speaker, this is coming from the Harvard scholar.
Honorable Minority Leader, I think you've made your point.
Mr. Speaker, I'm not
conclude.
Done. Mr. Speaker, I'm not done with respect. I'm not done with respect.
You've made your point. It's very clear.
Mr. Speaker, yes, I will land.
May you conclude.
Mr. Speaker,
yes.
Asha.
Yes.
Mr. Speaker, the last time when this matter came up, the second deputy speaker, who was in the chair, made it clear that Mr. Speaker himself, when the matter came up for discussion, opposed to this arrangement, and I said that we should go to Mr. Speaker for a discussion on this matter. The second deputy speaker rejected this proposal. We therefore, Mr. Speaker, approved the business committee report without that item. So this is not a matter that we have agreed to. Mr. Speaker, it is a way they want to use to run away from their own SONA. We are ready to debate the SONA. If they don't want us to debate the SONA, they should say so. If you cannot stand the heat of the minority, you can walk out. Walk out is part of parliamentary practice. You should walk out. You can go out. Today you say you have majority. Look at your seat. Look at all the empty seats. You are even less than 70. You are 64. You claim that you are majority, 64. 187, you only bring 64. For an important day like this. Absent majority. Absentee majority members. Where are they? Count. Empty seats all over. Empty seat. Empty seat. Then you want to use the empty seat to intimidate us. We will not allow you. It won't happen today. It won't happen tomorrow. We will resist you. Mr. Speaker, please rule on this matter. Stop them. It is our turn to debate. We are ready. Honorable Abna Osei Asari is ready. She's our next to debate. Allow her to debate. You are not calling another person from the outside. I submit.
I was in a tap send me in what dance and from mouse. I will send this careful on an idea about my gun and tap send. Ever boy young Casa with the awareness of a post store and as a play store. Now walk up or download do tap send ever home in process or maybe some promo code now about the part TV at their show. Fear say fire transaction I enter she name mono ever snap my bonus at the account because of the part TV at Wabo at the Asha one mono. I was here and same way and I shall say a course so I will and my ship with the fear and rather and I shall say MPP for now sorry say NTNTS and the NDC for this region of us and much time Nipa Munukwa na MPP back home alcohol. We so is a bit major comment or comment section honor like a family and I share mother for any be and Shemidi Eddie Akosia Wajoa could show sister Macram.
Mr. Mankwa, me office was saying this cabane de any project no. As to the be a me office camania what problem.
Enemremu. Na monte tap sending ka.
No so ne dey.
Tap send dey easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee bia.
Sir, I obey any say.
Chirani say won call App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download dia. Ebebu sanso promo code. O ma the pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make kwa friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esansa tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the giving the customers wanti or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about anything.
So your customer who you kesisia. Ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so. Enti se rate ne kosora now the sika ko gu wallet no. anaasɛ mpo obetumi ato susu nkakra enti abrɛ sem a wopɛ so send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anaasɛ woba o my Ghana mu a watimi ayusu sika e wo wallet no no tie
Any set to say you sumo Ghana hayru.
Sa pepepe. Se si tap send that trainer shim. Kopiem wo United Arab Emirates, Netherlands, and Austria. Tap send na.
Papa no.